You see these hands. I know for certain that God has blessed my hands. Whatever it is that it's a Bible, even whatever it is that your hands find it to do it diligently. So noma ngabe yini oyenzayo ngezandla zakho, do it with all of your might. That's why mina, you cannot put into ezandleni zami ezomuntu wesifazane and I don't multiply it. What do you mean? What do you mean? I do it so well. I do it with all diligence because I understand the power that has been put in my hands. Makuthiwa thatha le ncwadi ufunde, I capitalize on it. Angifundi phela, ngitshela nabanye ngiyamemeza, wozani nizobona ngitshele konke. I can't keep the excitement to myself. These hands, whatever it is that you do with them, do it with all of your might, with all of your strength. God has blessed your hands. There's a mystery. The president that you're seeing today was raised, was nurtured by these hands. You see these hands. That's why anything that I lay my hands on, I believe you me, it prospers. Because I caught that blessing. Whatever it is that your hands take a hold of prospers. And so be resourceful. Multiply it. Do something. Start a business. Let them not find rest. Listen, Bible. Don't let your hands to be idle. The Bible must never ever be idle. When there's power in your hands, don't sit comfortably. Start small. Listen, Bible, don't despise small beginnings. So start small. Whatever it is that's seen big today, it started off small. And so don't downplay these hands. You see these hands, they're blessed. Ingakho yonke into engiyithintayo ngezandla zami, oh believe you me, it multiplies. It is bound to be multiplied. I don't downplay my hands.